Get into it. Get into it, y'all. Get into it. Y'all, this head is a hot mess. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I am Quamikab. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And all of my returning subscribers, hey y'all. Anyway, if y'all can tell, I am back with another hair tutorial. Well, I'm not even really gonna say a hair tutorial. It's just hair maintenance. So if y'all can tell, I have this head of a mess going on right now, fro, whatever you want to call it. This was a twist out, but it is now wash day, you guys. So yes, it's wash day, but I wanted to jump on camera right now to share with you guys what I'm going to be doing for my wash day. I have a new product that I'm going to be trying out, and I felt like I should get on camera and share it with you guys. And it is the Aunt Jackie's Repair My Hair Argan Oil. It says enriched with Jamaican black castor oil, revives and conditions chronically dry hair and scalp, anti-breakage formula. It is no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, no petroleum. 4 ounces of product. You guys, I picked this up at my local Marshall's for $2.99. I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment on my hair. Try it. I have never done a hot oil treatment on camera, and I couldn't tell you the last time I did one in person either. But anyway, if y'all interested, stay tuned to the remainder of the video. But before we jump into the video, y'all already know what I'm about to ask y'all. Stop right now, subscribe, put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And if y'all do enjoy this video, at the end, please don't forget to hit that like button, y'all. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So as you guys can tell, my hair is no longer in a twist out state. It's feeling a bit dry. It's feeling a bit rough. It's feeling a bit that it needs a little bit of TLC. So what I'm going to be doing today is shampooing, conditioning, deep conditioner, which I'm not going to share that with you guys because you guys are already familiar on how I shampoo, condition, deep conditioner. If not, I'll leave some cards up top to some previous videos to share with you guys how I do that. But in today's video, we are going to be focusing on one product, guys. One product and one product only, and it is the Aunt Jackie's Repair My Hair Argan Oil. What I'm going to do is I am going to boil a cup of water. I'm going to sit this oil in that water and heat the oil up. After I do my wash day routine, which is basically shampooing, conditioning, deep conditioner, I'm going to go in with this hot oil treatment, put a plastic bag on the hair and allow it to sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back and share with you guys how this hair is looking. So as you all can see, my hair is freshly washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, all that good old stuff. I have my glass here with the oil sitting in the hot water. I did use my Keurig. My Keurig water gets very hot, so instead of boiling water or putting the water in the microwave, I did use my Keurig, and I let this sit in the hot water for roughly about 10 minutes. So now that it's all nice and warm and hot, I am going to remove the tab that's on it so that I can start applying the oil. Now on the back of the bottle, it does say you can use this as a regular oil or you can use it as a hot oil treatment. I chose to use it as a hot oil treatment, and that's another reason why I kind of like this bottle, because it already comes with the nozzle, which means you can get down to the scalp really well. Not only am I going to be applying this on the scalp, I am going to be applying it on the strands. I did leave a little conditioner in the hair just to keep the hair a little moisturized as well as while I'm deep conditioner. So what I'm going to do is go in with a hair clip the hair that I don't want to use out of the way. First, I'm going to clip this section up because I'm not going to work with this section at all. So now that I've taken it out of the hot water, I'm going to generously apply it to the scalp as so. So I'm going to start with that middle part. Oh, it's nice and warm. I'm going to start with that middle part. Okay, it smells really good. It's a little bit on, not too heavy. and not too thin side as far as this oil. This is argan oil, but it does have castor oil in it, and you guys know that castor oil is a little bit on the heavy side. I have thick hair, so I don't mind a heavy oil, especially when I'm doing a hot oil treatment. So basically I'm just taking that nozzle, applying it on this entire section on the scalp, and then I'm going to go in with my fingers and massage that into the scalp. It smells so good, you guys. Okay, now that that's all massaged into the scalp, I'm now going to apply it on the strands. Let's make sure I got that well. So now I'm going to clip these 3 pieces out of the way. I'm going to work with this section back here. Untwist it as so. Okay, now that I have that untwisted, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the oil, nice and warm on my hands. Oh, it's nice and warm. And I'm going to rub that in between the hands, and then I'm going to maneuver that oil down the strands of the hair. As you can tell, I'm doing the praying hair method. Literally, then I'm going to squeeze it into the strands. I'm going to really apply it on the ends as so. Just like that. And then I'm going to do that throughout the head. And then I'm going to go in and make sure that that is on the scalp by massaging that into that section. I can feel it, which is a good thing. Then I'm going to twist that section up out of the way. Like I said, I did leave a little conditioner on it. Not going to hurt. And now you can see the oil starting to drip down my head. And now I'm going to move on to the next section. I'm going to unravel it. And so, I'm going to take a nice generous amount to the palm of the hands, rub it in, and I'm going to maneuver it down the strands of the hair. Praying hand method, squinch. I'm going to make sure I got those ends really well. Okay. Then I'm going to go in and massage it in. And twist that back up out of the way. Alright, last section on this side, and then I'm going to do the rest off camera. Untwist, nice generous amount. Move it throughout the strands. Praying hand method. Apply to my ends. Okay. And then I'm going to massage that in. Okay. Then I'm going to twist that up out of the way. Okay, now that this section is completed, I'm going to end that up. I'm going to do this side off camera and I'll be back. Alright you guys, so the entire head is completed. Now I'm going to go in with some plastic bags. Yes, I use a grocery bag. I'm going to go in some plastic bags. And then after I apply the plastic bag, I'm going to go in with this t-shirt towel. I got it from my local Walmart for like $6 to $7, but it's made out of like t-shirt material and it's a turban. So I'm going to put that on as so. That's going to give it another layer of like heat to go into the hair. Just like that. And I'm going to leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour. I'm looking in the mirror, sorry y'all. But I'm going to leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour. I think I'm going to go and use my blow dryer and put a little heat underneath the cap, just so that, you know, it's penetrating the strands of the hair the way I want it to. So you could do it like this and sit under a heated dryer. You can put heat on the hair and then apply the bag and towel, or you can just leave it as is because the oil is already heated up. So it's your choice, but this is the way I'm going to do it. Like I said, I'm gonna leave it on for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna come back once I rinse it all out and let you guys know how I feel about this oil. So far, what I can say is that it smells really, really, really good. So stay tuned, y'all. Guys, this product is amazing. My hair smells so good and it feels just as great. All right, y'all, so my hair has been rinsed from the oil treatment. I'm gonna take this towel off. I did put the bag back on it when I put the bag back on the hair because I was taking a shower and I wanted the hair to stay wet because I am about to style it, but I wanted to get on real quick and share with you guys how the hair is looking once the oil treatment is rinsed from the hair. Moment of truth. You guys, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, my hair feels so good. It smells so good. Just look at the shine. Let's take that down. I know y'all can see the shine. Just look at the shine on that part right there. If y'all don't see no other shine, look at the shine on the part, which means that it got down on the scalp really, really, really well. But you guys, I feel no dry scalp. My hair feels so soft and moisturized. It feels healthy. I don't even know how to explain it, but it feels amazing, you guys. So what I will say, I know I'm looking crazy, but what I will say is that I will include this in my hair regimen at least once a month. I just gotta find a way to get my hands on this oil. You know, a lot of stores are not open now, and you go online and try to buy these products. It's like they're boosting up the prices. Either way it goes, this oil is amazing. I do believe she has 3 other oils in this same repair my hair line. If I can find a link for this one and the other ones, I will leave it in my description bar down below. But I will say that this right here, y'all, this is a game changer. Whether you want to use it for a daily oil, whether you want to use it for a hot oil, I mean, it's your choice. It does have the instructions on the back, but I will say that I will repurchase this again. I will give this a 9 out of 10 stars. I know I just used it on today. I have about a quarter of the bottle left. I was very, very, very generous when it came to applying this product, but you guys, all I'm gonna say is that out of all the 3, I feel like this one will be my go-to one, only because it does have the black castor oil and argan oil in it. Like I said, my hair loves black castor oil. This is a great product. This video is not sponsored. I purchased this on my own. Like I said, I got it in my Marshalls for $2.99. So if y'all interested, check the link in the description bar down below. If y'all have any questions, any comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. If you all like today's video, please hit that like button, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.